Etim TV, a broader perspective.
It has become a custom that every first Sunday in the year that he will converge family members, friends, loved ones, everybody to tell God thank you for everything he has done for him and the family. So today we are here at the Lutheran Church to tell God, also with Dr. Tommy, thank you for all that you've done for us. And he has done so much for the church. He has built this beautiful edifice at Mikono for the Lutheran Church of Nigeria. To tell God thank you. And he has done so much, giving scholarship to the members of the church and also training them on different skill acquisition. So join us in the Thanksgiving and also to dance with him. My name is Blessing and it's a delight to be with you.
Each year comes with its own hustle and bustle. Some people recount their ordeals while others count their blessings. A lot of mixtures of fortunes and misfortunes, but in all, there is always something to be grateful for. Just like our faces are different, so our unique way of expressing our feelings. Some prefer going to their closets to offer their thanksgiving, while others believe in testifying in the multitude of witnesses. Whichever way, there is always a way to express our thankfulness. Nothing is more honorable than a grateful heart. Dr. Tommy Etim, the President, Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria, and also the National Deputy President, Trade Union Congress, believes that nothing is more honorable than a grateful heart. Therefore, it has become a custom for him and the family to always assemble at his village church, Lutheran Church of Nigeria, Mikono, your local government area of Akwa Ibom State, for annual Thanksgiving.
I return all the glory to you, God. I give you all the glory. At one of the happiest days in my life and that of my family. Just yesterday, during our family devotion, we don't make collapse and speechless. I call on men of God who minister prayers. You know, you don't take a teaching hospital. I mean, get but no way you cannot disgrace me. You cannot disgrace me. Because I'm ungrateful. But for no children, they will boy come to and then I will get fun.
Acknowledging the good that you already have in your life is the foundation of all abundance. This year's Thanksgiving of Dr. Tommy Etim had a different tone as Dr. Tommy, after completing the church building, furnished the church with sophisticated seats. This is said cannot be comparable to all the blessings of God in his life. It was a full New Year service where Lutheran Church of Nigeria, Nowokamikono, your local government area of Akwa Ibom State, was full to the brim with members of the church, family, friends, colleagues, associates, and political folks of Dr. Etim to join him in thanking God for many blessings he has enjoyed over time. The atmosphere was charged with praise and worship by the church choir. While Dr. Etim took Bible reading.
And the king went to Gibeon to sacrifice there, for that was the great highest place. 1,000 burnt offerings did Solomon offer upon that altar.
And the presiding minister, Reverend Daniel Essien, who ministered on Thanksgiving, said,
What shall I render unto the Lord for all his benefits towards me? At the point some people live a life of unfaithfulness, they don't see it necessary to appreciate or thank people for what has been done to them. Our Lord Jesus wants us to appreciate or to thank him for what he has done for us. In Luke chapter 17 from verse 12 down, when Jesus healed the 10 lepers, and when one of them discovered that he had been clean from his sickness, he returned to thank God for what he has done.
The chairman of the church, Elder Hussein Udoko, while addressing everyone, admonished all to join hands together to build the church of God.
By this invitation, I admonish you all to extend a good hand of fellowship to us in our collective drive to build a befitting house of worship for God. And I'm fully convinced God in his boundless grace will always replenish your forces as we make the bold step in establishing a lifetime relationship with God.
No one who achieves success does so without the help of others. The wise and confident acknowledge this help with gratitude. So Dr. Tami expressed gratitude to friends who have played different roles in his success journey, and also called for support to enable him buy equipment for the church, give scholarship to members, and train others on different skills.
My family made me in 10. I did not scholarship before I was here, so that we don't want me. If you want to get me money, you know I was get down. And the scholarship maybe do twofold: university education and skills acquisition. The young man, I don't support me, but the one of the capacity. Yet, a very good sound instrument in this church. Mofan Nimba, I can say no equal, I can say the rest, friend.
A great man is a small man but surrounded by great people. With the support of friends, family, members of the church, Dr. Tami was able to meet his expectation of raising money for quality sound equipment for the church, scholarship for students, and free skill acquisition training. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. The minister offered prayers to the family.
They done so confident for
It is not happiness that brings us gratitude. Rather, it is gratitude that brings happiness. Friends and family also joined in thanking God for Dr. Tommy and family.
And by the special grace of God, I'm going to be 100.1% of who Dr. Tommy Etim is. A private community in Abuja, in our family, call this community for the support and encouragement in our union of Dr. Tommy Etim, and for also donating him to our community in Abuja. We want to appreciate you, we want to appreciate the immediate family, the church, for their prayers, for their support. If you could have put anything concerning the life of this young man, I'm not a prophet, but I know God is taking him somewhere.
Indeed, gratitude is a currency that we mint for ourselves and spend without the fear of bankruptcy.
What do I have that you have not given? What do I have that you have not given? You are God, and God in me. I submit myself.
Family line up for
Use me, Lord. Use me to your
family of
Etim TV, a broader perspective.